Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Fourth year students. Topic of today is electric charge due to electric potential due to a disk of charges. For this purpose, we consider the plastic disc of the radius r having the uniform charge density sigma on its top surface, or this at that we take a point P on the central axis of the disk having the distance c. The disk is the combination of small flat rings. Now we take such a ring having the radius omega and width d omega. Charge per unit area of the ring is called surface charge density and written as sigma, that is written as sigma dq over dA, where dq that is equal to sigma into dA and dq that is equal to a 2 pi sigma 2 pi omega into d omega. Now the electric potential at a point P due to the charge dq of the ring having the distance r, and this is that is dv that is equal to dq over r, and putting the value of dq k sigma 2 pi omega d omega over r, where r in this case is square of the r is the r square of omega plus square of z whole under root. Now the putting the value of the k 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught into sigma 2 pi omega d omega over omega square plus z square whole under root. Now the net potential at a point P due to the charge disk having the radius r is v integral of dv. Now the putting the value of dv, v is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, ये चूँकि कांस्टेंट है हमने इसको इक्वेशन के बाहर ले लिया है, और इंटेग्रल की वैल्यूज लिमिट्स क्या हैं 0 से r, एंड पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ dv दैट इज sigma 2 pi omega d omega omega square plus z square whole under root, and this is equal to this is equal to sigma over 2 epsilon naught over 2 epsilon naught integral of 0 to r omega d omega over omega square plus z square whole under root, and now again put the multiply and divide by the 2, then this equation becomes equal to 1 by 2 omega square plus z square raised to power minus 1 by 2 omega d omega, and this after integration this becomes equal to 2 sigma over 4 epsilon naught omega square plus z square 1 by 2 and limits 0 to r, and the v that is equal to putting the limits v is equal to 2 over sigma over 2 epsilon naught r square plus z square 1 by 2 minus z, r square plus z square 1 by 2 minus z. And now in the special case c is very greater than r, then this equation becomes equal to by expanding it by nomial theorem r square plus z square 1 by 2 z हम कॉमन ले लेते हैं तो अंदर आ जाएगा 1 प्लस आर स्क्र ओवर जी स्क्र होल रेस्ट बाय 1 by 2, और इसको हम बाय एक्सपेंड कर देते हैं बाय नोमियल थ्योरम, then this equation becomes equal to z 1 plus 1 by 2 r square z square and so on, and neglecting the higher terms. This only consider first two terms and neglecting the higher terms, we get r square plus z square 1 by 2 that is equal to z plus r square over 2z, and the value of the potential value of the electric potential under this condition v that is equal to sigma over 2 epsilon naught z plus r square over 2z minus c. z और z कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, हमारे पास इक्वेशन आ गई सिग्मा ओवर 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट r square over 2z, and that is equal to sigma multiplied by pi multiply and divide by pi sigma pi r square over 4 pi epsilon naught c, and 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, that is equal to k, and then k sigma pi r square over z, whereas sigma pi r square, that is equal to q, and this equation is equal to electric potential k q over z. And where q is equal to sigma dq, and this is the this shows that the charge disk behaves as a point charge in limiting case. अगर हम इसके लिए लिमिट लगा देते हैं z is very very large as compared to r, then this becomes equal to electric